today I'm going to make some lovely green juice. I love to make green juice, healthy green juice, and good for detoxing. This is some curly K I have left over. I did a video on curly K and I have some left over, and I'm showing you guys that you can blend up your curly K and also drink it. Alright, so let's go into business. So basically this is a curly K, look like a cabbage, but curly K is like a vegetable, green vegetable. A lot of people, you can put spinach, you can put a lot more stuff in it. You can put cucumber, you can put many different kind of things inside of this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply add a piece of a cucumber in it just to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, roughly about a quarter of a cucumber. And also a piece of a ginger. What we're going to do, we're going to put the lime last inside of it. If you have lemon, you can use some lemon. We're going to put roughly a cup of water to free up the blender. Alright, so I may add some more water to it. Lovely. Now we're gonna just put it to the blend. Lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to blend it, which is gonna take a few minutes to blend. Seems weird, but it's fine. Lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do now, strain it. Nice one. The only reason why sometimes I make green juice, is just to try to avoid you guys to have fizzy juice, So, like all this is very healthy and good for you. Nice and lovely. Not only that, you can, you don't need to add any honey to this, guys. Honestly, you don't need no sweetness to this. Just have it just natural like this. Good to go. Squeeze half a lime in it. And that is fantastic and nice. What do you think about that recipe? Leave your comments in the description box and tell me what do you think, guys. It's amazing, simple recipe, simple juice bar recipe, and it's just beer green. Alright, thank you for watching, stay tuned, and I will see you next time with more recipe with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Bye bye.